Well, thanks for joining us. We're here in Payless Park, figuring out a cool way to custom mount a rear projection screen for an HD projector install. Just to save you some time, we jumped right to the end and show you the end result.
Protector of those 9 realms is sitting here in your bathrobe eating grapes.
Yes, well, it is best to respect our neighbours' freedom.
Yes, of course. The freedom to be massacred.
We need a new song that's called One Glory. This tradition is our mission, and no one but there's someone.
As it returns to my hand, I'll leave in your face.
You go right ahead. You can be executed for this.
I'll see you on the other side.
Alive. I saw you die. I mourned you. I cried for you. I'm honored.
Hi, would you mind taking a picture with us?
Oh, sure. Start figuring out where he is.